House Apartment in Bacoor City, Cavite. Welcome po. And hello everyone. Nandito tayo ngayon sa location nitong bahay. House apartment po yan. With 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Up and down with parking garage. Fully tiles ang flooring. Bagong pintura. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Inside subdivision. Good community and flood-free location. Malapit lang sa highway. Walking distance lang from highway. May malapit na school, elementary, high school and college, public and private. Malapit sa ospital, malapit sa simbahan, malapit sa lahat. And ito po yun, yung kulay brown and kulay white na pintura. Nandito po tayo sa location ngayon. Ito po yung makikita nyo doon pag binisita ninyo. Maganda yung bahay at the best yung location, yung subdivision with security guard and CCTV cameras around the area. At malapit sa lahat. House apartment in Bacoor City, Cavite. Sa Bacoor City po, up and down with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with parking garage. Ito po yung bahay. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa location. Ito po yung video. And guys, maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong lahat. Yes po, maraming salamat po. Hashtag happy family, hashtag home sweet home, hashtag house apartment, hashtag 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, up and down with parking garage, house apartment in Bacoor City, Cavite. Ito po yung bahay. At maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Bago matapos itong video, sa mga sumusuporta, maraming salamat sa inyo talaga. Alam niyo na kung sino-sino kayo. Thank you.